Hi everyone, this is 3 minutes Blender tutorial, part 11. Subdivision. In Blender there is a function called Modifier. Modifier is a function that you can modify your object without changing the basic structure of the object. Today we are going to use the Subdivision modifier. Now we just use the default cube and we right click on it and we move to the property windows and we choose Modifier. And this is the modifier icon, it's just like a tube. Now we press add modifier and then we add the subdivision surface. And now you have noticed that the cube has been subdivision. It's more round and more smooth. Now I want you to tap back to edit mode and you will see that the basic structure of the cube is still here. The cube object won't be modified until you apply it. That means you can always delete the modifier by click the cross button on the right hand side. Now we try to press the cross button and remove the modifier. Now we just tap back to object mode and we press lump 7 and we add 2 more cubes just next to the default cube. So we shift A to add a cube on the left and we shift A to add a cube on the right. And then we press lump 1 and then align on the surface. Now we choose the left cube and then we add a subdivision surface modifier on it. Now I want you to tap back to the edit mode and I want you to choose this icon here. This icon toggle on and off of the modifier field. When you toggle it off, it shows the basic structure of the cube. When you toggle it on, it shows you the cube after the modifier applied. And after you toggle on this icon, it will have another triangle icon appear. When you click on this triangle icon, it will only show the modifier field without the basic structure. And there's 2 options you have to know about the subdivision modifier. The first one is the fill, the second one is the render. Now I want you to add the fill to 2. And you'll notice that it could become more round and circle-like. When you increase the fill, it will become more like a circle. But if you just increase the render, it doesn't show anything because that render function only applies when your animation being rendered. So basically we always want our render image look like what we see here. So mostly we just put the fill and the render value as the same value. In here we just put 2. Now we tap back to object mode and we subdivide the second cube. And there's a shortcut for subdivision function. It's add control plus the number. For example, if you want a subdivision of this object by 2, you just control 2. If you want to subdivision this object by 3, you just press Ctrl and 3. So now we just press Ctrl 2 on the middle cube. And then we choose the third cube and then we press Ctrl 3. The last thing we do here is to apply the modifier. Then I want you to tap to edit mode. And you can see that after you apply the modifier, all the new vertex of the modifier will be created.